ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and my fellow language enthusiasts, welcome to our 25-minute exploration in rich varieties of African accent pronunciations. I am your host, Bonike, and it is my utmost pleasure to embark on this journey with you. Throughout our time together, we would delve into nuanced rhythm and melodies of several African speeches, celebrating the diversity and beauty encapsulated within each accent. So sit back, relax, and be prepared to be mesmerized by the enchanting sound of the continent.
What?
Yeah.
Where's the Q from?
We are not wrong here. You're the one wrong. It's not August. Nigeria will want to accept defeat.
There's one thing you guys don't know.
Which is what?
See our letter O in Nigeria. Very, very important.
The last time I see a lady from Kenya on social media talking about Nigerian men, even with the shege.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Hilarious African Accent Challenge. My name is Bonis Ashby, and I have beautiful guests on set with me. What is your name, baby girl?
My name is Anajua from Ghana.
Anajua from Ghana.
I'm Elizabeth from Kenya.
Okay.
I'm Patricia from Nigeria.
Okay. So now you're on set with me to pronounce some words in your language. Are you ready for me?
Yes.
Okay. So now I have a word. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R.
Cucumber.
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 Cucumber. How is cucumber?
Cucumber.
How? Where did the cucumber?
The spelling.
See you now.
When you're pronouncing it naturally,
It's C-U-C-U-B-E-R.
Don't know how you guys got yours, but it is cucumber.
It should be cucumber.
It's
How?
cucumber.
Why are you using your whole mouth to cucumber?
Cucumber now.
How?
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
I don't know where you're going.
Cucumber. Where is it cool?
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
You.
Cucumber.
That's wrong.
Cucumber. Cucumber.
Where did your Q come
You see you.
Hey,
When
from? So
you
where is the Q
Where's
from?
the Q
Where's
from?
Q?
you get it from
And
the
where is
phonics
your-
words. It's not cool. Cool. That is not
It's
cool.
just basic phonetics.
Ah, God of God.
Oh. Okay. So the next one. B-U-C-K-E-T.
Bucket.
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 Bucket. You don't pronounce with your whole mouth.
Wait.
Bucket.
Well,
Bucket.
I can agree with you because
Not
it's almost
bucket.
the same
Wait,
with me.
wait.
But you are pronouncing everything.
Where is your
where is
E?
bucket?
There's no
coming
ball.
from?
Where is
Where's
it?
your
Ball.
It is
Ball.
silent,
That is.
obviously.
It's there.
It is silent.
But it's still there.
It
It's
is there, yes.
B-U.
I'm not
Because
disputing
it's
that, but
there.
it's silent.
Oh.
It's bucket,
Bucket.
not bucket.
It's not ball.
Bucket.
That is B-O. Ball.
Hey, it's still bucket.
And this is B-U.
As a Ghanaian, how do you pronounce that?
Pronounce it bucket.
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 Yeah.
And you?
Okay.
Bucket.
Bucket. And
Yeah.
you?
It's bucket.
No bucket.
Bucket.
Not bucket. Bucket.
Wow. So now we have another word. J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N.
Junction.
Come again with the spelling.
J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N.
Junction. Where did you come out with that word?
Junction.
Can you
Not
come again?
junction.
Junction.
It is not It's not junction.
Junction.
It's junction.
Shin.
Shen.
Yeah,
As in
like shin.
shin of what?
Shen.
It's
Junction.
Not, it's not out
not
of
junction.
It's not out of it.
It's junction.
Not junk.
Junction.
Not junk. That's it. Have to sound a lower sound.
A lower sound as how?
Junk.
How?
Junction.
Junk.
It's junction. Junction is
Junction.
junction.
Junction. You don't have to
yeah.
bring out that C out. Junction.
Okay, why is it there?
No, you don't have to bring it out.
You
Why
would
is
have
it- why is
letters
it
in
there?
some words that you're not
because
meant to
because you have
Why?
to pronounce
They're
it.
called silent words.
Why are they
for
silent?
letters?
Why are they there when they are meant to be silent?
Excuse
That's
me,
because they have to be
phonetics.
silent.
Why?
You're twisting my brain. Like you just said, junction,
Junction.
Junction.
injection. And you?
Junction.
Huh.
Nigeria.
You want to kill me.
Introducing the Digifted Studios, the ultimate destination destination for top-notch multimedia services here in Lagos. Nestled on 58 Ajayi Road, Ogba, our state-of-the-art facilities is where creativity meets innovation.
Step into our well-equipped recording studio and experience excellence like never before. From pre-production sections to our crystal clear audio recording, seamless video editing, and a top-notch production, and lots more. We are your best bet.
Unleash your creativity at the Gifted Studio. Our doors are always open for creatives seeking a fully equipped space to produce their content. Let us help you bring your vision to life with our expert team and edge-cutting technology. Whether you're looking to shoot a podcast, monologue, viral video, or documentary, the Gifted Studio is here to exceed your every expectation.
But that's not all. We also go beyond the confines of our studio to offer premium event coverage and red carpet services. From the most intimate weddings to grand birthday celebrations, meaningful anniversaries, movie premieres, all the way to corporate events like book launches, conferences, symposium, as well as product unveiling. We specialize in capturing the essence of these occasions and also preserving those priceless memories just for you. Check out our social media details as displayed on the screen for more information.
Now let's go to another word. So we have PASTOR. How do you pronounce it?
Pastor.
Pasta.
What?
Yeah,
Sorry, what?
pasta. That's Kenya, not Nigeria.
Pastor.
Pasta.
Pastor.
Pasta.
How is it as in spaghetti? Like
No,
You
pasta.
I don't seem to understand how you pronounce your words fully with everything in you. It's
Because-
pastor.
Pasta.
I mean,
I'm a
where's your
Kenyan.
A? Where
I'm
did your
from
A come
Kenya.
So-
I'm not a Nigerian hider. I'm from Ghana.
Where did your A come from?
It's from the spelling. There's no A in
There
the
is no A
spelling.
there now.
So that is how we pronounce it. Pasta.
It's
Yeah.
pastor.
O sound your
OR sounds
ah.
A.
So
Pasta.
if you want to say O, you be like ah.
Pasta.
Ah.
So if you want to pronounce pasta, how do you pronounce it?
Pasta.
Wait. You pronounce pasta and
As
pastor.
pasta. As same thing.
No pasta.
Oh, thank you. Pastor, pasta, and pastor.
Pastor.
No to.
Tor.
No
So
to. No
deep.
to.
Pastor. Okay. Now we have this. How do you pronounce this? HUSBAND.
Husband.
Pasta. You just have to let
Where
that
did your
sound
husband-
BAND.
Where did the Z come from?
Wait, how do you pronounce your
Husband.
where's your own Z?
There's no Z. She's the one with the Z.
Husband.
Where did it come from?
You just have to pronounce it like
How?
that.
Why?
Because that is how it's supposed to be.
That is not how it's supposed to
These
be.
people are confused.
You are the one
So are you
confused
the
'cause you're
one
not
who is
pronouncing everything
right?
with your whole mouth.
Because that's how it is.
That's not how
Husband.
it
That's how it
is.
should be.
That's not how it
You
should
can
be.
call it husband.
Okay, husband.
We are
No,
still using
us.
the Z. It's
See,
horse.
Whatever. That's
Us.
the correct.
That's not the correct.
That is
Just because
US,
you pronounce
us.
it
That
like
means
that
you are
doesn't
not
mean it's
calling that
correct.
age with it. That is US, us. Husband.
I mean, technically, the H
Yeah,
is kind of
call it
silent.
with the H.
Husband.
So where's your H?
Where's
It's
your
there.
H?
I mean, you're
Where?
correct.
It's just
No,
a
no, no,
lowered
no, no.
sound.
Oh, but you just said we are not pronouncing
She's
the H.
pronouncing it husband.
Pronounce the H.
Husband.
Where is your Z? Wait, how are you getting husband?
Husband.
How?
They are
Because the H
they are confused.
and the X has to sound low, not
Why does it have to
husband.
sound low? It is husband. It's as simple as that. It's a very simple word. You don't need to.
I would
use-
have pretend like I know
use
hear what
strength.
you are saying, but I can't.
I mean, you're wrong, so you can pretend like that. So.
Even if you are right, you are wrong.
So is that right?
If,
Two
how,
of you
how does that make
I'm
sense?
right
Very
here.
wrong. You can
You are the
you
wrong
cannot
one.
be right.
You
are
can't.
very,
You
very,
are
very wrong.
absolutely out of it.
Okay.
Wow. Can you come again?
Husband.
Husband.
Has
You.
Husband.
Husband.
husband,
Husband.
band, with the H.
Where is the horse coming from?
Coming from the H.
Okay. So the next one.
Church.
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 Yeah.
Church.
Where's your O coming from?
Letter U sound.
It doesn't sound all.
Letter U sound.
It doesn't sound
It
all.
sounds differently in
It's not
different
church.
different words.
Letter
It
U
is
sound.
church.
Letter U sound.
I don't
Okay, so that
want
means
to
if you want to say umbrella now, you'll be like umbrella. How we
You can't just pronounce it like that.
You can't use
Which one is
vowels sound
umbrella?
differently in different words.
But this
You
not,
can't
this
use
not
just
vowel,
one
this
sound
consonant.
of vowel.
This
in
is
this
consonant. It's not. Is you?
You is a vowel.
How? Okay. Yes. Yeah. You is a vowel. Okay. Tell me, how will you pronounce it in umbrella?
Umbrella.
Why don't you say umbrella?
Because it cannot be the same way in church.
See, whatever. You are wrong.
You are obviously
You're the one wrong
here.
here.
Because where is your O coming from?
Because
How
it's
is
not
it
church.
Because letter U always sound or
It does not always sound O.
whatever.
Excuse me,
Oh.
can you say it again?
Church.
Church.
Yeah.
Church.
Please tell me where your own A is coming from. Your own.
Church.
Church. Church.
Okay.
you guys are
So your own
killing me
your own letter U. Your own
Sounds
letter U.
what?
I mean, you're wrong.
Sound
Because where did your A come from?
Church.
How is it church?
You want to twist my brain.
So if
now.
you-
They're not twisting your brain. They are the one taking it upside down.
If you want to pronounce charge,
the alphabet,
how are you going to
you are
pronounce it?
confusing yourself and the alphabet. Everything. You
I
are
am
wrong.
not.
Absolutely.
You are wrong.
You're confusing yourself and the
I am
alphabet.
not. Yeah. You guys are not just calming down for yourself.
So, if I go out now, you're expecting me to say church,
Yeah.
No,
Then-
expecting you to say church.
church,
And I'm expecting you to say
Church.
church.
and you.
You must say church.
It's not church.
I
Because
must
the
say
You
whole
open
is
up your
nowhere to
whole
be
mouth to call
found.
church.
It is UR, not OR.
church.
It doesn't work like that.
You are.
Yes.
That's why the church is there. Church. Like
I
church.
just said church, not
Don't say
church.
church. What is church? Church as in.
Church is church.
Why?
I am going to church.
Why
I'm
will you be going to church? Why will
How?
What do you want me to accept now?
you church?
Church.
So now I have another word. Very simple, and it's just a daily word. So now, how would you pronounce C-U-P?
Cup.
Cap.
Cup.
Here we go again with the
Don't.
O.
Those just don't
It's
come there, the
exactly
two
with the
of you.
don't try.
Not a cup.
Is that
A
how
cup-
it always
okay.
is?
A cup
Your
is a-
you
Can I,
is
can I,
always-
can I
cup-
ask you?
A cup
you
is
always
an
pronounce
officer. Cup.
Wait, can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Where did your A come from?
This is not A.
It is. See,
Th-
it's
this-
not about
this-
where the A come from. Or where did
This
it
is
just
phonic
basic.
sound. You can't just
You
call
cannot just-
C O
don't
P
tell me
cup.
that.
It is not
You
done.
cannot say
A
cup.
cup is COP. That is cup, and that is an officer.
So CUP is cap
Yes.
for you.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
Both of you are wrong.
You're not wrong. You're wrong.
I mean,
Yeah.
two people can be wrong.
You're the one
you're
wrong
obviously
here
the wrong
because
one.
you can't call
Two
CUP
people can't
a
be
cup.
wrong.
Two people can be wrong.
No.
Not both
cup.
of you are wrong. Very wrong.
You're the one wrong here.
Right now.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, I know you would not accept because
That is how Nigeria does. No.
Because you are wrong.
Because you're Nigerian.
I wouldn't just say it, but obviously, would not accept. So
Right
You
now.
are wrong.
you're
They
wrong.
just said cap,
As in
cap,
cap.
and
Not cup.
It's not cup.
so who should I
Believe
Cup.
Cup.
cap?
Cap.
Cup.
Okay. So now we have AU GUST.
August.
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 Since where did
For
your
crying out
August
loud.
come from? How is it
August.
Where is your
AUG.
Where is your
Hug.
you?
How is your where did your
AUG is
August-
hug.
Where did your you go?
There's you there.
This is
Yeah, why?
obviously going to be
August.
a we agree to disagree thing. Because I
It
mean,
is called August
it is
Where
not
is your
called
you?
August.
because of the sound letter A.
I mean, I know Nigerians are
August.
stubborn, but I didn't expect Kenya.
I am not a Nigerian. I'm from Kenya. You should
I don't-
pronounce
but-
it.
expect
but-
you to be stubborn.
I am not
She's
either.
not stubborn. She's just wrong.
I'm just trying
Yeah,
to be
you're
on
just
my
wrong.
right because that is
What
how
right?
it
even
goes.
if even if
right.
even
You are
if
standing on the
even
wrong
if
thing.
you are right,
I am not.
of course you are
You're
wrong.
obviously
I'm not
you're
wrong
obviously
here.
Because how is it August?
It's August.
Very wrong. Very wrong.
Not wrong.
This will keep going on and on and on. You're saying August, you're saying August.
Where is the August coming from? Where did you see the ho?
It is not just.
Is it ho?
The U.
Or August?
Yes.
It's still the same O for you.
Every letter U
Is ho
sound or.
Okay.
sound or?
Yeah.
So what is the sound? What is the sound for?
So if you want to pronounce occupied, how would you pronounce it?
Why?
So why is your U not O?
No,
I mean, you just said every letter U is pronounced as O. So why is your U?
Let me get this.
Letter O sound.
What's letter ho
Letter
sound?
O.
No, you're the one. You're the one calling
You
the
are the
U.
one on the hot seat
Wait,
now.
letter O sound.
Why is your U not sound?
You should know better because you're the one calling the U.
Letter O sound.
You should know better.
Letter O sound.
We're asking you a
We are
question
asking a
now.
question.
Letter U
Sounds words.
Oh.
So the two words sound the same letter.
You're kind of
Wait,
contradicting yourself now.
Do you mean your own letter?
So if you want to pronounce occupied, you pronounce it occupied.
They are not the same letter, of course.
You know what? You know what? I'm not giving up because
You can't give up. Nigeria are very stubborn.
That's why you're giving up.
Wait, I'm not giving up
right.
because you people are right.
You're giving
Because
up
we know
you're
better.
wrong.
If I keep arguing,
You're giving up because you're wrong. Just admit it.
I'm
I mean, it's not.
If
It's
say
not
both
something
of
to
you-
kill you
both
to
of
admit you're wrong.
Today, in this place today, both of you can never be right.
Okay, let's wait and see.
That's the energy we are going with. Abi.
You people can never be right. No, nothing you say can be right.
Okay,
Because
so
it's just
Nigerian
basic
words
phonetics, if you don't know
are the
it,
right
you
Tell
words.
me how O is sounding A.
Why will you be sounding O and
how would
you
your
the
you be
same?
sounding
The same.
Like how
Okay, what is
How would your
how
you be
did you
sounding O?
how did you call? How did you
Where?
call?
that you sound?
How did you spell CAPE?
Cape?
Cape.
So what should it be?
Why will you call it cape?
See, let's pretend like she didn't say that.
Where is the K coming from?
let's-
Cape.
Should it be safe? See, let's pretend she did not say that because let's just pretend she didn't say that.
August, August, August. Who should I be?
Introducing Digifted Studios, the ultimate destination for top-notch multimedia services here in Lagos. Nestled on 58 Ajayi Road, Ogba, our state-of-the-art facilities is where creativity meets innovation.
Step into our well-equipped recording studio and experience excellence like never before. From pre-production sections to our crystal clear audio recording, seamless video editing, and top-notch production, and lots more. We are your best bet.
Unleash your creativity at the Gifted Studio. Our doors are always open for creatives seeking a fully equipped space to produce their content. Let us help you bring your vision to life with our expert team and edge-cutting technology. Whether you're looking to shoot a podcast, monologue, viral video, or documentary, the Gifted Studio is here to exceed your every expectation.
But that's not all. We also go beyond the confines of our studio to offer premium event coverage and red carpet services. From the most intimate weddings to grand birthday celebrations, meaningful anniversaries, movie premieres, all the way to corporate events like book launches, conferences, symposium, as well as product unveiling. We specialize in capturing the essence of these occasions and also preserving those priceless memories just for you. Check out our social media details as displayed on the screen for more information.
Believe August.
I think
She can't
I'm the
take
one on
August.
both
Believe,
seats here.
believe
She
it.
can't take the August.
Believe it and no peace.
You're wrong.
You can never.
People,
That's
if you
just
go
all I'll
outside
say.
our country and you call
are
that
wrong.
August, they will look at you like, oh, what's she saying?
You people are the ones with twisted pronunciation.
We are
No,
not.
you're the ones. You're the one that is
You are
that is not
confusing the
saying
You are not
the
getting it.
correct ones.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that.
Okay.
So,
So right now, I believe I'm the one on both seats right now.
Well,
no,
technically, she's one of
they are
the
confusing you.
No, you.
Nobody.
You are confusing me.
Me?
Yes.
I cannot confuse
So if I come to you now, I pronounce that
August.
letters as August.
No. You are wrong. Like
How's
that.
she wrong?
Wrong.
Very wrong.
So if I
So
come
she's
to you,
supposed to call it August.
August, yes.
Why is she going to call it August?
Because your AU is O, right?
That is whole her. Ho.
That's just ridiculous.
If you want to pronounce audition, how will you pronounce it?
Because that is
Addition.
Let's pretend it. Let's
by the
pretend
way.
it.
Addition.
That's by the way. So
Let's
I come to
pretend
you, I visit you, and I'm like, August visitor.
Yeah.
You can't call it August visitor.
So
August.
the weather is cool, but I'm hot.
You just have to take it like that. You know, when you're coming to Kenya, you speak the way we Kenya speaking. And you're going to Ghana, you
That's
speak the
because
way
people
Ghana.
are wrong.
And this is
And you don't want-
Nigerian.
you don't want to do-
Obviously,
you just have to
but you don't
accept
want to
it.
accept that you're wrong.
I'm not wrong.
You're wrong.
How will you pronounce it? What did you say?
Just get over it, please.
So how are you pronouncing it? August. How?
It's not
Where did it come
August.
from?
Just accept
It's not
this.
I'm not
August.
accepting it.
Because Nigeria will want to accept defeat.
How? When you are wrong.
We are not wrong here. You're the one wrong.
You guys say it's Nigeria. I don't tire like this. I want faith. So now only me waka come meet this guest. I go take am like that now. Okay, now we have this again. PICTURE.
I didn't get that spelling.
PICTURE.
Picture.
Please, don't say that. Please.
Let us say it.
So what are you going to say?
It's the picture.
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 Calm down, please. Like, I don't even know what to say. I'm hot.
You're learning
Who would I learn from?
She's not learning.
from the right person.
she's not learning.
From the right person.
She's not learning.
Okay, pronounce
Pronounce
It's
it.
picture. Yes,
Of course.
picture.
Oh,
Yeah.
picture.
Picture.
As
P.
always.
P. What
Same
about the
O.
high C?
There's
This one,
not
the
nothing
picture.
changes.
Picture.
B, where's the pig? Picture. Is there K there? Don't letter K
Does
there.
it sound
How are you not
Is
pronouncing
it K?
How are you pronouncing yours?
See, you know what? Let's pretend she did not say that.
Yeah, let's pretend she didn't say that.
At least
I'm not going with either.
Where's
I'm not
we are
going
doing
either of
I should
you.
pretend she didn't say that.
Yes.
Yes.
pretend-
So you should have
I
to
should
accept
pretend-
with
I
what
should
they're saying.
pretend she says that.
No, because
pretend.
that's wrong.
So you're right here.
Let's ignore what she said, but pretend she didn't say what she said.
Are you the one
So you
right
can go-
here?
You can go with mine.
Why we should go with
Wait,
yours?
what was
Because I'm obviously right.
Well, how do you know
guys are
you're
wrong.
right?
It's picture.
Well,
Yes, you're saying the C.
How are you 100%? How are you 100% sure right?
As
Picture
always,
now.
it's always O.
Picture now.
I am 100% right. It's
Madam,
just basic
please
phonetics.
calm down.
Picture.
Let me and Kenya battle this, not Nigeria.
Welcome back, guys. We are still on the same show, the Hilarious African Accent Challenge. So now we proceed to the next one. We're talking about picture before. So now, how do you pronounce this? COME.
Calm.
Don't.
Don't what?
Don't.
Don't
Let
calm.
me pronounce my first. Calm.
What?
Calm.
Again,
Calm.
calm.
So, the both of you are.
Is it calm you're calling or what?
Yeah, calm.
CALM.
I didn't say calm.
Please don't mind the both of them. It's come.
From where?
Come. COME. Come.
Come.
Here we go again with the O. It's always this O issue.
For how long are we going to argue on this?
We're still going to have the
you.
argument of
See,
O.
there's one thing you guys don't know.
And
Now,
what-
let's
which is
see.
what?
See, you see our letter O in Nigeria. Very, very important.
Who said
Like,
so?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I can see your
Nigerians
government
said
is not
so.
important to you.
You say what?
Your government is not important to you because I mean they're literally making life hard for you guys.
Okay, your own country, your governments are not making life hard for you.
I mean
In my
they
home
are,
country,
but
they have best.
it's not as pronounced as you guys.
It's not as
You have a lot of things wrong in your country, and then you are here still going around all around the
even
same.
Yeah, I'll go with that.
Even if at least in our own country now, we can still pronounce things very well.
Do you know the problem?
I'm sure.
No, I'll have to
And
go
you
with
can't.
Ghana now. You know, Ghana is not just a country you can just enter
Kenya,
freely.
just stand-
No. I'm trying to talk about Ghana here.
Countries against the
Excuse me.
countries.
Wait,
No.
Where is your country on the map, sir?
Have you checked the map?
I mean,
Wait,
Kenya is.
Have you
Where
checked
is
the
where?
map? No, Kenya is standing out.
It's kind of like
Standing out.
Yes, it's a country
out of Africa.
It's a country that stands
Standing
out.
out of Africa.
Not you can't just bargain into Kenya just like that. But Nigeria, you can bargain into Nigeria anytime you want. You can just come them from Kenya, like get me an apartment in Nigeria and they will. But Kenya is not like that.
Chill. Tell me, what are you looking for in Nigeria in the first place? If Nigeria did not give you people free access.
Because Nigeria,
Ghana boss was raining. You came to Nigeria to come and hustle.
That's a big lie.
You're going to Nigeria to stay.
Not giving you people space to.
Okay, now we are giving you space. We are not really giving you space now.
Do you know what? I will have to side on a little bit on Ghana.
How much is rice in your country now? Because you are saying
it did not concern
hunger pursued us from our country to
your country.
Now we've gone back to our country now. Is your country not suffering?
I just have to keep quiet on this part because
obviously you have to keep quiet. You don't have anything to say. You're out of it.
Have you been to Kenya before?
Oh, please, you're out of it.
We are making it. We are not
a conversation between two giants now. Because I mean, Nigeria.
So who are the giants here?
Excuse me, who are the giants?
With Nigerians
slowly residing the giants of Africa title. So I mean,
so who is the giant here? Is it the Ghana?
Ghana.
Who said so? Says who?
See, you people don't have good food. You don't have good anything. Like. Nothing about
so in Nigeria has the good food.
Nigeria.
What do you say?
What do you have in Nigeria? Your Nigerian jollof that people are always shouting.
Okay, wait.
Is it what people are always raving about?
Should we talk about?
Because I mean, the spice is always too much.
Wait, should we talk about?
Go ahead, go on.
Okay, those things you guys put in that your Ghana jollof. What was it, Maggi?
No, they had too much of coloring. They had coloring to their food.
Kenya, please, when we are talking about just sit down, please.
Wait,
really?
Hold on. Have you tasted Ghana jollof rice before?
Of course. See, that thing is very.
Have you tasted Kenyan food before?
I say rest now. Calm down.
You guys should just let me talk. Let me be in between you guys' food.
How did the food taste?
The food has too much Maggi.
And your food
is not Maggi. It is coloring. They had too much of coloring to their food.
That's why your food is black, Abi.
It is not black. It is how we prepare it. And if it is nourishing to the body, not like the coloring.
When we are ready for you, we'll come back to you.
But no, I have to tell you guys, like
now is Kenyan rice is black.
Potato is black.
Jollof rice too.
No, that one
that is not. It is not just your normal. It is not your normal jollof rice you guys cook every day. Everybody knows jollof rice. Kenyan food is not like that. It's standing now. That is why we are always standing out. Says, have you tasted it before?
Your food is always looking
mushy. Have you tasted it before? It's nourishing. You will fresh. You will clean. You will glow. Can't you see me? Can't you say I'm blind? Do you want to compare to?
I'd rather manage to eat.
I'd rather manage their food than come to your country.
Personally, I will have to come back and prepare you that Kenya food.
Oh, please.
And compare it to the Ghana food. What are you eating? What is inside the coloring food? And the jollof rice in Nigeria you're making. What is there?
That charcoal food that you buy.
Is it charcoal?
Yes, charcoal.
That is not charcoal. It is nourishing.
How is it nourishing?
It is not black. It is not black. Reader, I can't eat that Ghana food because the coloring is fucking too much. It is coloring.
Very food.
That is not standard. You can't keep me eating that coloring and you keep. I will be like, and I will keep fit. Can't you see how you are? Look at Nigeria. Look at Nigeria.
Okay.
And look at Ghana. Look at Kenya.
Ghanaians always have meat.
We are always.
That's why Nigerian men are always running to Ghana. We have meat.
That is in between you and Nigerian. Can you see a Kenyan guy running after Nigeria?
I can't see any meat. I can't see any meat.
It does not have to be do with meat. It is about you're capable.
Can I come in now? I'm not here to cause any problem. I'm not here to cause any trouble.
Okay.
You said Ghana ladies are running after Nigerian.
I don't know. That is for the two of them.
And I also heard that Kenyan ladies are running after Nigerian.
We don't.
We don't.
When was the last time I see a lady from Kenya on social social media talking about Nigerian men, even with the shege.
No, maybe it may be a mother is from Nigeria. It can be a biological child of Kenya and run after Nigeria.
Right.
Who are Nigerian?
Right. Like every African country is not running after Nigerian men.
Nigerian men are nothing. They would definitely fuck her up at the end of it.
Okay, we'll show you shege, but they are still running after them.
They would not. Then maybe that's one is half Nigerian, half Kenyan.
Your relationship sweet. That's why you people cannot give up. Both Ghana.
So we should give up for Nigerian. We should give up for Nigerian.
People are toxic.
The common country we know Nigerian.
You say what?
Common country.
Wait, Nigeria is common country.
Is a common.
What is Kenya?
Kenya is not.
Is a no man's land.
Says who? Wow. Says Ghana. So Ghana is what?
The whole of Ghana.
The giant
state, or maybe an area in Osun.
Really?
Wow.
Thank you.
And Kenya is supposed to be a what? It's supposed to be a seed in Ghana.
Well, thank you so
Whatever.
much. Right now, I've been on the all seats. I don't even know whom to believe. Either Ghana.
You're going to Kenya.
Why?
Because you definitely change.
So that you can eat black.
There is.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I really appreciate all of this. As our journey through African accent and pronunciation comes to a close, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining me on this captivating exploration. I hope you enjoyed yourself in the rich diversity of African voices and have gained a newfound appreciation for the intricity of our linguistic heritage. Until we meet again, remember to embrace the beauty of diversity in all its form. This is Bonike signing off, wishing you all a harmonious and accent-filled day ahead. Bye.